Playa. I'll just take you on a tour of the room. So, pretty normal here when you come in. So on this side you've got the bathroom, toilet, single sink, nice walk-in shower. It's a pretty modest sized room, not too compact but certainly not spacious. So it's pretty typical really for a short haul destination. So this is a twin sea view room. You've got bedside tables there with reading lights, plenty of wardrobe space. You can see there's some hangers on that side. You've got the safe, you've got drawers down there. Then over here on this side, you've got a space for one suitcase on the rack there. You might be able to squeeze one underneath it maybe. Reasonable sized telly. And then you've got a little sitting area here, a little table and a chair there. So it's a nice enough room, nothing special, nothing wrong with it. Aircon goes down to 18 degrees, although it does get a bit stuffy during the night actually, maybe because of the thickness of the quilts or something. There's also like some sort of a buffet seat there, and then in the cupboard down there as well you've got a fridge, but they don't provide drinks in the room apart from a bit of water, even though it's all inclusive. If you want beer, soft drinks, whatever, you've got to go down to the bars. There's also dispensers around the hotel to fill the bottle of water. So I'll take you out on the balcony in a sec. Right, I'll take you onto the balcony now. There's no insect screen on this door actually, like you get on some hotels. That's worth bearing in mind. There isn't too much of a problem with mozzies or that kind of bug here, but you probably don't want to leave the balcony door open for long periods. It's quite handy, there's a drying rack there. Usual table, chairs, a light, and then there's effectively like a window box here. We're growing some plants, which is really nice. Sort of softens the kind of concrete style materials a bit. And then you can see we're towards one end of the hotel, so we're overlooking a little sort of putting green and the kiddies pool, and then the other pools are that way. Seems to be a really heavy mist over the sea at the minute, which is why you probably can't see too much over there. You can see it's a sort of terraced kind of setup here with a hotel. So yeah, decent sized balcony to be honest. Good outlook. We're only on the first floor, so if you're going to be higher up, you'll probably get a much better kind of panorama. We can see the sea, rocks over there, so it's pretty decent.